What's going on, guys? So it's been quite a while since we did an exhaust battle, so I figured we had to do Larry versus Chomper, 5.3 versus 5.4, pre-cat true dual straights versus catback true dual straights, 2.5 inch piping going all the way back to 5 by 18 inch exhaust tips on both trucks, right there and right there. So 2 cats on each truck, no crossovers, true duals, 5 by 18s. Larry is pretty much the undisputed exhaust champion so far. Can Chomper take the lead? All right, guys, will y'all be sure to comment down below. Let me know who you think won. Most people would say that Larry is undefeated in the exhaust battles, but I will say this is definitely a close one. One I think is much louder than the other under most circumstances, being, of course, Larry. Larry is just freaking clapwagon, but both of them sound absolutely insane on the revs. I love all the pops and crackles, and I know that's not everybody's cup of tea, but dadgummit, it's mine. I love the pops and crackles. They just treat me right. Always have, always will. So yeah. Chomper, you can definitely creep around in and not cause too much mayhem, versus Larry, where pretty much everybody's going to know you're out driving around, which is definitely a little it's not that easy to film these without attracting too much unwanted attention. But anyways, with that being said, like I said, comment down below, let me know who won, Chomper or Larry. I'll see y'all on the next one.